Can you send $5,000 through Cash App? Yo, what's up, everyone? So, you've got a big chunk of change and you're thinking about sending it through Cash App? Maybe it's a business deal, a big-time loan, or you're just being super generous. Whatever the reason, the question on your mind is probably, can I actually send $5,000 through Cash App? I get it. Cash App has become our go-to for quick and easy money transfers, but when the numbers start getting bigger, things can get a little tricky. So, let's dive into this together and figure out if you can indeed send that $5,000 without any hiccups. First off, let's talk about Cash App's limits. Yeah, you heard that right. Cash App isn't a bottomless pit of money. There are certain restrictions on how much you can send and receive. It's like having a spending allowance, but for your digital wallet. Now, the good news is that these limits can be increased. But there's a catch. To bump up those limits, you'll need to verify your identity. It's like showing your ID to the bouncer of the VIP section. Let's break down the verification process. It's not as scary as it sounds. You'll typically need to provide some personal information, like your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Don't worry, your info is usually safe and secure. It's just Cash App's way of making sure you're not trying to pull a fast one. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll unlock higher sending and receiving limits. This means you're one step closer to sending that $5,000. But hold your horses. Even after verification, there might still be some daily or weekly limits. It's like Cash App is trying to keep you from going broke overnight. So, what can you do if you need to send more than the limit? Well, you could try splitting the payment into multiple transactions. Send half one day, and the other half the next. It's like giving someone their birthday presents in installments. But, let's be real, that's a bit of a hassle, right? Another option is to contact Cash App support. They might be able to make an exception for you, especially if you can explain why you need to send such a large amount. It's like pleading your case to a judge, but with better customer service. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Security. Sending a large amount of money is a big deal, and you want to make sure your cash is safe. Cash App has implemented some security measures to protect your money, but it's always a good idea to be cautious. Enable two-factor authentication, keep your app updated, and be wary of phishing scams. Your money is important, so treat it like it is. To wrap it up, sending $5,000 through Cash App is definitely possible, but it requires a bit of planning and preparation. Verify your identity, be aware of the limits, and prioritize security. And remember, if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.